Vlogmas day 5. It's Sunday morning. We just got up. We were at the Airbnb still, and I think we have a noon checkout, so I've just been packing up. My mom and I think, are gonna go head out soon and get some breakfast. And then our flight leaves around 2:30 today, so we'll probably head to the airport shortly after that.
The breakfast place. Should we go there? That looks cute. What's that? Is it open? So we were planning to go to one breakfast place that neither of us were actually excited about, but we were walking on the way there, and like not even a 5-minute walk from our Airbnb is this place called Willow, or the Willow, or something like that, and it was so good. So if you are in this area of Chicago, couldn't tell you what area we're currently in, Lincoln Park, go there. It was a delicious breakfast. It had second avocado toast of the trip, some nice berries. Mom had some eggs. Cheers. Coffee. We're bringing a coffee back from my Aunt Sally, and everyone's packing up and heading out, and it was just such a nice trip and so good to see family. But yeah, now it's time to head home.
So we're just packing up the Airbnb right now, and I figured I'd give you a quick little Airbnb tour. It's in Lincoln Park, Chicago. It's a beautiful place. It was great. We had a bunch of families staying here. I think there's 4 bedrooms, so it's really like a nice place to stay with a big group. The only downside is that the train goes right here, wraps around the entire house, so it was really loud at night. But they provide sound machines, they provide earplugs, and I'm a heavy sleeper, so it didn't bother me at all. I slept right through it, but it is loud, like even during the day, so just keep that in mind. But with that said, let me give you a little Airbnb tour. So unclear if this is the front or the back door. I think this is the back door, but this is where like the code is to come in, so we're gonna call it the front door. You walk into this beautiful modern kitchen. To the left is a laundry room. Here is 1 bedroom, 5 bedrooms. Then there is a bathroom here. A nice big dining area here, and look at all this natural light. I love the light. Over here, just like a little entryway, a mirror, that door's locked, living room with the TV. This I think is technically the front door. And then I love the art that they have here. I think it's so cool. And then this is like the master, I think. But it doesn't have a bathroom connected. These are the balloons from the other night. My little cousin Leela brought them back. And then another bedroom here. Out this way is our room. We're just packing up right now. We had the biggest room. And then that door goes out to a back patio. Here's our bathroom. This is the funniest tub. It was like Leela sized. And yeah, there's a whole back patio back here. We didn't spend any time on it because it's cold, but how cute is that? But yeah, this is the train that goes by, so it's quite loud, but a very cute little Airbnb. So we just got to the United Lounge, and I had a cookie and a banana, and we took an apple to go.
We can see you.
What?
I could see you.
That's because I was filming me. She's still new with the vlog thing. Had my lemon water, had my banana. Mom got an apple and some tea. I'm finishing my Starbucks, and we're gonna head to our gate. So we just landed, and I'm waiting for my mom. We weren't sitting together on this flight, which was sad, but I was really productive and did a bunch of work and edited Vlogmas, so net, it was okay. But my dad and Donnie and Chris are driving up to get us, and then Donnie and Chris and I are going to the city, and my mom and dad will go back to Santa Cruz. But they're like 45 minutes away, so I'm kind of wondering if we should just grab dinner because I'm pretty hungry. So I'm waiting for my mom, and then we'll make a plan. Finally, it's been such a long day, but Donnie and Chris met us at the airport, and Chris is over right now. Donnie cooked us an amazing dinner. I ate way too fast and I feel disgustingly full right now, but they're playing some video game, Saints Row, and I'm going to unpack because that is the one thing I always make myself do when I get home is like unpack my suitcase. Also, I leave for New York Tuesday morning, so I need to do laundry like tonight and tomorrow. Otherwise, it's gonna be another like chaotic laundry session like we had on Thursday. So I'm like already contemplating changing my New York flight to like Wednesday because the holiday party isn't until Thursday, and just the thought of like getting on a plane in like a day and a half is not appealing, but I will reassess tomorrow morning when I have had a good night's sleep in my own bed. But that's the update. Time to clean the room, get ready for the week ahead, and yeah, no Sunday scaries here.
Alright, our room is like basically clean. Oh, I'm just putting away the last couple things. I need to vacuum, but that feels like a tomorrow project. So nice to have everything like put away, even if it's just for a day, it just makes me feel better.
So I think that's gonna be it for the vlog for today. Next vlog you see will probably be a weekly vlog, probably from like Monday through Wednesday, or maybe even through Friday, depending on how busy next week is. But just so you know what's ahead, Tuesday I leave for New York bright and early, I think, unless I change my plans, but I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm working from New York Wednesday, Thursday. Our holiday party is Thursday evening, and then I fly back Friday evening. I'm hoping to see some friends while I'm in New York on Friday, but we'll see. I just sort of wanted to give myself the option, but I might move my flight earlier. All of this is like so last minute. I don't even have a hotel yet. I just like have not planned for some reason, even though I've known about this for a long time. But it'll be fun regardless of what I end up doing. I've never been to New York around the holidays, so yeah, I think it's gonna be a good week. But I'm just gonna go relax for the rest of the evening and get ready, because I think I have an early morning tomorrow. Every other week we have like a 7:30 a.m. call on Mondays, and it's just like the roughest start to the week. But I guess I do get the benefit of sort of being on Chicago time, so we'll go with that. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.